Kia ora te whānau and welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Georgie and I like to make videos about my life as a 20-something-year-old trying to make her way in this world. For today's video, I have one of the last parts of my moving series. This video today is kind of about finding and moving into our new place. I'll just get straight into it. There's no oven.
Like an office.
This is your home, Kaya.
Are you asking your mum?
No.
How long has she had her one now? Photo.
Oh. Oh.
You see it stay with these rings. Or maybe I did.
Okay. Watch it go in.
How is it?
I like it.
Bit creepy. Oh, it's quite comfy.
Is this cut these the quality than the ones that we had? Look at the little. What's this? Oh, so you can put your pillow in a bag when you travel. Oh, it's eco-friendly.
How?
I don't know. That's pretty cool. Oh, you can put it in the pillow, I think. More pillow adding. Whoa. Oh, look at that. She's thick. She's real thick.
Oh,
Where am I supposed to fit?
I'll sit up.
You would have seen that we got this couch. Love it. But I don't know if you can see, it just like gathers stuff on it and it looks really, really, really dirty already, and we've only had it for like a week. I got shush Kaya these cups from Kmart. These also like the short version. And we got a whole set, but like DIY'd the set. It was 50% off at Farmers. So we got these cute mugs, 2 of those, and then we got 1 mug like this because Jackson liked it. This one also because Jackson liked it. 2 of each of these. They're just slightly different sizes. 2 of these side plates and 2 of these larger plates, like salt and pepper kind of look. This big boy for salad or serving something large up.
Into 100 pieces.
Or anything else.
We found this kind of in a dump pile at our house, so we're just going to use it temporarily until we find a set of drawers to go in here, and I'm going to buy a clothing basket because at the moment we've just been shoving it behind the door and that's not okay. So a set of drawers to go here, or a shelf or something, the clothing basket, and then I got this fabric to go as a curtain across, and I'll show you in the next clip what that looks like. We're also going to put new curtains along the windows because it's really dark with the darker curtains in here, and this will just lighten it up. And yeah, this is what the room's looking like. This is how it's looking. The rail just fell down, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to make that a bit better and still rental friendly. But it's looking good, and this is, you know, the rest of the chaos. So I've done a very shonky job at hemming, taping this curtain up there. We fixed it to the wall. It needs some work. This makeshift desk for now, because I don't have a desk.
New desk.
Mm-hmm. I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming along for today's video and for this series. I think that this video basically wraps up the series because now we're here, we're in our place, and we've just been chipping away and adding little bits at a time. So I'll just go back to regular weekly vlogs or weekend vlogs and kind of keep you guys updated along the way. But for the bulk, that is the end of our moving series, and now we live in Tamaki Makaurau and we're pretty happy, eh, Kaya? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ka kite ano.